How long does it take for my I-130 petition application to become approved? Well, in this video, we'll find out the processing times for family-based categories. Plus, find out the latest case processing times at the National Visa Center. So keep on watching for more details. Hello my friends, welcome back to Ito's Immigration Corner. How are you guys doing? Happy Holy Week to all my Christian friends. Well, if you are new on this channel, you know what to do. Go ahead and pause this video and hit the subscribe button. And while you're doing that, turn on the notification bell so you never ever miss another video from me. Alright my friends, let's go ahead and don't waste any time and get straight to the video. Here is the latest case processing times at the National Visa Center. NVC case processing times for the week of April 14, 2025. As of April 14, 2025, they are working on cases received from the USCIS on April 1st, 2025. They are reviewing documents submitted on April 5th, 2025. And lastly, they are responding back to inquiries received on April 10th, 2025. To conclude, in terms of working on cases received from the USCIS, they are 2 weeks behind. Reviewing documents, they are 1 week behind. And responding back to your inquiries, they are 1 week behind. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look now at the latest case processing times for I-130 for family-based categories. U.S. citizen filing for spouse, parent, and child under 21, 17 to 64 months. U.S. citizen filing for married son and daughter, 69.5 to 150 months. U.S. citizen filing for unmarried son and daughter, 21 and older, 53.5 to 127.5 months. U.S. citizen filing for brother and sister, 56.5 to 121 months. Permanent resident filing for spouse and child under 21, 55 to 88.5 months. And lastly, permanent resident filing for unmarried son and daughter, 21 and older, 52 to 93.5 months. Alright my friends, let's go ahead and analyze this data compared to March. If you haven't seen March, I'll go ahead and link it up above, so make sure that you watch it. But let's go ahead and analyze, compare it to March to see if there were any major changes. From I-130 case processing times, Q&A summary. So the category with the shortest processing time for I-130 is the U.S. citizen filing for spouse and child under 21, which takes approximately 17 to 64 months. The category with the longest processing time for I-130 is U.S. citizen filing for married son and daughter, with an estimate time of 69.5 to 150 months. This category increased 17 months compared to March. U.S. citizen filing for brother and sister also had major changes. The processing time decreased 12.5 months from 56.5 to 133.5 months to 56 to 121 months. Permanent resident filing for an unmarried son and daughter, processing time had little changes compared to March, at 51.5 to 93.5 months to 52 to 93.5 months. And lastly, permanent resident filing for a spouse, a child under 21, processing time increased from 54.5 to 85.5 months to 55 to 87 months. What happens after I-130 is approved? If you're filing within the US, the next step will be an interview. It is recommended to submit Form I-45 green card application at the same time, enabling both forms to be processed together during a single interview. If you are located outside of the US, your case will be forwarded to the National Visa Center for consular processing. You will receive a welcome letter via email containing your case and reference number, which you will need to initiate your DS-260 immigrant visa application. Keep in mind that a green card is always accessible for a U.S. citizen spouse, parent, and child, hence the reason why you need to keep watching the visa bulletin to see if your priority date is current and if a green card is available to you. So you can start your DS-260 visa application. U.S. citizens, spouse, parent, and child do not have to follow the visa bulletin because, like I said before, a green card is always available to them. So once the I-130 petition becomes approved, it will move to the National Visa Center, and immediately after, this category will be able to move forward in front of the line compared to others. Okay, so this category is also called a priority category. If you have an upcoming immigration interview and you are struggling or you do not know what questions that the consular officer will ask you, I have created the perfect ebook with all the possible questions that you will get. Okay, so it's only going for $10, and you can get this ebook on my website, ethoscorner.com. Okay, why wait when you could start preparing today for your interview? Get your green card on the same day. Okay, my friends, well, I hope this video was beneficial to each one of you. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. You can always schedule a consultation with me and send me an email. All right, and all the resources is on my website, ethoscorner.com. Make sure that you go on my website and check out how you could get in contact with me. Now, if your case is taking longer than expected, there is help out there. I can assist you in putting in an e-request. That's only if you have waited the maximum amount of time for your I-130 and you haven't gotten an approval as of yet. Okay, so you can request that a decision be made on your case as soon as possible. So schedule a consultation with me if you're interested in doing that. Before I go, make sure that you subscribe, share this video, give it a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so you never ever miss another video from me. Thank you for watching Ethos Immigration Corner, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.